In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to share your Amazon Prime membership with your family. Let's get started. Open Amazon and log in into your account. Once logged in, hover over your name at the top right and click on your account option. This takes you to your account page where you can view details about your Prime membership. To share your membership, scroll down to the shopping program section and click on Manage your Amazon Family. This will open the Amazon Family screen, where you can share your benefit with one other adult, linked account, and up to 4 child profiles. Click Add Adult to link a second account. Or you can add a child profile if they are under 12. To link accounts, click Link, and it will take you to a screen where you can invite someone to share your Prime benefit and digital content. Enter their name and email address, then click Continue. Keep in mind that both you and the person you are sharing with must agree to share payment methods for some Prime benefit. Once you have agreed, click Continue and you can choose what digital content to share, such as games or ebooks. Just check the relevant boxes. After that, click Send Invitation. You'll get a confirmation that your invitation has been sent. And the person has 14 days to click the link in the email and join your Amazon family. Once they accept, they will be able to share the benefit of Amazon Prime. That's how you can share Amazon Prime with your family. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.